Kase MCUV4, newly developed optical glass material. It can withstand the impact of a 100-gram steel ball dropped naturally from a 1.2-meter height without damage, providing armor protection for the lens. Surface coated with a scratch-resistant layer, reaching hardness of 7H, more resistant to scratches and abrasion. Easy to clean, stays spotless like new. Double-sided waterproof coating. Lotus leaf effect helps repel water droplets from the surface. No need to worry about water stains. Makes cleaning easier. Newly adopted luminous lettering craft. It presents a striking luminous effect in dim environments and automatically adapts with ambient light. Surface reflectance controlled below 0.1%, effectively reducing glare and ghosting, resulting in purer and clearer images. Light transmittance up to over 99.5%, which enables higher image resolution, and restores natural and true colors perfectly. Kase MCUV4, providing armor protection for your lens.